Hi dears, I'm with a new video. It's another one-page boy hairstyle, but I know that it's like most popular question how to do this amazing signature hairstyle like Dita Von Teese making, yeah. And actually it's a page boy from 50s. Mostly they was doing this hairstyle on more short hair, but we modern girls can do what we want, so we did it more longer too. I will show in this video, will pay attention, you know, on their most important things, and actually to do such hairstyle it's not something very difficult. Just a little practice and you will do this. So let's start. For page boy hairstyle I'm using bobby pin set pattern. I will add a link how I'm doing this in description of the video. Only this set pattern giving me the page boy hairstyle shape amazing. So firstly I'm brushing my hair with the big soft brush, and look how I'm doing this. I'm doing this directly and trying already a little bit curl the hair in the right way, how it's need to be laying when I will be putting it back. So pay attention on this. And plus I'm using a little bit of the hairspray on the roots to keep a volume. After this I'm using such a red tail comb for making a side parting. And with the big brush, again, I'm just brushing my all hair with this big brush. After that, I have such teasing brush. So for all hairstyles, actually, I'm using these three type of brushes. I'm again brushing my hair and trying to start to make their page boy hairstyle. Don't be afraid to brush your hair. Nothing will happen with it, with your curls. So just brushing and trying to make this, you know, like one line going. Big curl, if I can describe this like this. So I'm brushing and watching how it's laying. Every time your hair will be laying in different way. So they are like only the pattern how you need to do this, but every time it will be laying in different ways. So you need just to see situation and trying to make it laying how it needs to be. Duck bill clip for their volume. Also you can here do a volume with your teasing brush and make like more Hollywood volume with wave, but for every day actually I like more just natural volume, and plus I can do a little more volume with this duckbill clip. So I'm putting it there, and with the hairspray I will fix it and it will be holding like that. You see, I'm always using different the rat tail hair comb and the teasing brush too. So You just need to know how they working with your hair, and you will know when you need that or that type, you know. At the back, you see how I'm doing? I'm putting my one of the hands under the hair and brushing it under it to make the shape. And always doing with the hands too, the shape. Working with other parts. And then I'm with bobby pin fixing the hair under their ear. But firstly I'm spraying hairspray and brush that part, because it needs to be without volume and very smooth. So I brushing it under the hairspray and putting bobby pin behind my ear. Actually, you can cover with the spray every part of every section of your hair, but I'm mostly doing wall brushing and only after that starting to do a shape with the hairspray too. Without hairspray, you can't do any vintage hairstyle, because without hairspray it won't be laying like it's need to be. As you can see, when I am covering the spray, I am with my hand helping the hair laying smooth and plus making a shape. Plus I can use their hair comb for making more wavy wave, you know. So actually the hairspray, it's a half of the work. It's not only the end to fixing the hairstyle. With the hairspray, with my hands and the brush, I'm creating that shape. Covering. After the first layer of the hairspray will be dry, you fixing it again. Your hair need to be like a quartz. It's unvisible for people, so you don't your hair not looking like a quartz, but it's like that, and then hairstyle will be holding all the day. While my hairstyle drying, I'm waiting when it will be dry, and only then I will be remove the duckbill clip. So while that, I'm adding accessories for my summer outfit. And I really wanted to share this dress with you because it's very cute. It's beehive with their little bees, and this pin with their with the jar of them honey. It's just amazing. So the hairstyle is done. You see, it's covered very good with the hairspray. And don't forget to add your straw hat for summer look. I know that it's not summer now, but I want to report there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow my channel. Don't miss any new videos about vintage hairstyles, tutorials, vintage style, and have an amazing day.